The high-speed universe of cryptographic forms of money has spread its wings towards different areas, like the metaverse and NFTs. Discussing metaverse, Decentraland has been an expert player in the area. To learners in the business, Decentraland is one of the proficient computer-generated simulation stages fueled by the Ethereum blockchain, which is home to its computerized token Mana. With Decentraland's developing unmistakable quality in the business and costly land deals, developing occasions, advertisers are interested about the Mana cost expectations soon and as long as possible. Could it be said that you are one of those inquisitive personalities? Then, participate as we decipher the value conjectures of Mana for 2022 and the years to come. Decentraland coin value expectation for 2022. The computerized resource had advanced toward 2022 with a sideways pattern at $3.241, with break scores to its help at $2.649 until the 20th of January. After this, the value dove to $1.775 on the 22nd of January, which turned into the quarterly base. The numbers hurried up, coming to $3.58 by the 10th of February. Be that as it may, heavy tortures from international strains among Russia and Ukraine and different occasions, for example, took care of rate climb pushed the projections to a tight band nearer to the help levels. All things considered, Mana had shut its exchange for the main quarter at $2.45. The subsequent quarter was unforgiving for the metaverse token Mana, very much like some other cryptographic money in the business. The market slump hauled the Mana cost from $2.736 to $0.6236 by the 12th of May. Mana value expectation for Q3. A heightening progression from the subsequent quarter could assist Mana's cost with shutting its quarterly exchange at $0.8027. In any case, in the event that the computerized resource succumbs to any cynicism or an accident on the lookout, the cost could lower to $0.6914. All things considered, ordinary trading tensions could land the cost at $0.7471. Decentraland crypto value expectation for Q4. Decentraland could make the most out of the last leg of the year. With the Christmas season being near, the stage could be a host to energizing occasions. As many brands lead shopper occasions, an organization with any huge brand could drive the cost to another pinnacle of $1.2170 continuously end. Common exchanges with next to no significant occasions could invite a typical exchanging cost of $1.0243. In any case, in the event that the bears offset the bulls, the computerized resource cost could remain grasped underneath $0.7820. Mana coin value expectation for 2023. Assuming the value of Decentraland's Mana conveys forward the bullish position of the past year. With the catalyst coming from land exchanges, virtual occasions, and improvements, the cost could take off to its yearly shutting worth of $2.0506. All things considered, with a consistent force with practically no significant impedance from the bears, the computerized resource could exchange at a typical cost of $1.1112. In any case, in the event that negative analysis strikes, the bears could pull the value down to $1.4792. Mana crypto value expectation for 2024. As recently said, the metaverse area is seeing shocking searchers, which is currently spreading over across lines and skylines. The exchange socioeconomics are even between both the West and the East. This is a staggering accomplishment, as it gives a concise knowledge into the fate of the task. The developing reception of Decentraland could push Mana to its possible high of $3.1355 toward the finish of 2024. Conversely, the attack of greater firms and forceful showcasing could leave Decentraland in conceal. In such a case, the computerized coin would land at a low of $1.6814. Altogether, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at $2.2883. Decentraland value expectation for 2025. The next few years stay vital for Decentraland. It could turn tables for itself as well as its local resource Mana, as the business would see a progressive shift towards the metaverse area. Decentraland could find fresher associations and improvements and host more huge and never-seen-before occasions, which could push the cost to $5.1423. On the other side, assuming the convention misses out on steam as a result of a rising and more unmistakable opponents, the cost could tumble to $2.6265. All things considered, normal trading tensions could land the cost at $3.6478. Market examination. Decentraland cost expectation. Mana's cost could raise a ruckus around town focus of $2.426 toward the finish of 2022. The firm pins least and normal focuses for the year-end at $0.998 and $1.713. Wallet financial backer conjectures the typical shutting objective for 2023 and 2025 at $2.664 and $4.562, separately. What is Decentraland, MANA? Decentraland is the augmented experience stage that sudden spikes in demand for the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to buy land that can be subsequently fabricated and adapted. It is the principal virtual stage, entirely possessed and oversaw by the clients. The convention has three layers: the agreement layer, land content layer, and ongoing layer. Curiously, Decentraland utilizes two tokens, which are Mana and Land. Mana is an ERC20 symbolic that sudden spikes in demand for Ethereum. The token can be used to pay for a scope of symbols, names, wearables, and more on the Decentraland Commercial Center. Decentraland's principal point is to assist with satisfying makers, people, and organizations searching for another imaginative medium or give a stage to new business valuable open doors. Our Decentraland, MANA, value expectation. Mana could fill in the future as it permits the clients to create and adapt. The altcoin may likewise arise as the main virtual exchanging stage the world and a go-to setting for virtual occasions. All things considered, for the year 2022, the Mana cost could close the yearly exchange with a pricier tag of $1.20. In any case, negative patterns could restrict the cost to 80 cents. Also, standard exchange practices could land the cost at $1. Verifiable market examination. 2017, Mana advanced toward the crypto market on the 17th of September, with a cost of $0.026. However, the token declined to as low as $0.009 toward October's end. Later, the cost consistently begun to recuperate and hit 13 cents by mid-December.